I'm going to show you how to re-grease wheel bearings. It used to be a really dirty, horrible job. Wheel bearings need to be re-greased on trailers at least once a year, and more often if it's a boat trailer going in and out of the water. Now I've got a bearing grease packer here that saves all the grease and dirt getting all over your hands. Now I'm going to put the bearing onto the bearing packer and make sure that I've centralised it. Then I'll come along with the cone and put the cone over the top, and then I'll fit the bearing packer to the bearing. We screw the bearing repacker cap down till it touches and just firm it off. Now the fun part is greasing it. So I install my grease gun and I'll pump grease into it until the grease is visible. Now this is a great tool for re-greasing old bearings because it pushes the old grease out and the new grease takes its place. Shortly you'll see the grease exposed from the outside of the bearing, which means that it's gone all the way through the whole bearing and it's under pressure and repacked. And there we have it. So we just remove the grease gun, and now what we do is we unscrew the top, remove the lid. Most often the bearing's attached to the lid, and as the top comes away you will see that the bearing is completely packed. So there we go, the bearing's done. Greasing bearings can be a really messy job, so it might as well be made easy.